Do you feel confident about managing your money in 2025? Or are you about to repeat the same mistakes that trap people in financial struggles? Friends, I have bought you a financial plan that could be your key to financial freedom. With the hash model and 5 key formula, learn the secrets to managing and multiplying your money. Are you ready to secure your financial future? Let's deep dive. I'm just sharing the mind map and my Excel sheet. Financial Planning 2025 hash model. At first, understand what is this? What is hash model? I think you are hearing this first time. Actually, I use hash model in my course. I have also my course. My website is Happiness All Around with Sanjeev, and this course is available in Hindi language. If you are comfortable in Hindi language, you can go on my website and you can subscribe that course. Actually, this is silver membership course, and uh, and you can also download the app. My mobile app is also available. You go to my Play Store and just search Happiness All Around with Sanjeev, and you can download my mobile app. And this course is available in Hindi language, Happiness All Around with Sanjeev website. And in this course, actually, you can learn how to invest in stock market. Everything you will understand how to manage your portfolio, fundamental analysis, technical analysis. Everything is mentioned there. So there are total, I think, one is stock market success blueprint, that is 3 days course, and after then, I think nine bonus courses are there. So you can go and subscribe. But one more thing I want to clear it that the share course price is 1 lakh rupees. At present, it is at 14,999 rupees. It is showing there. But if you are not capable to pay that amount, just ask me in comment box or from mail to me, and I will give you the promo code, and you will get more discount. Because I'm not here to sell my course here. I want to give the service, and I have mission. My mission is to transform 1 lakh people from middle class to rich class. That is why I'm creating videos and on YouTube, and I have created the course. So hash model is Happiness All Around with Sanjeev Hub model. What is this? 3 p.m. formula. What is 3 p.m.? 3 p.m. means 3 pair M. 3 pair M formula. So if we understand all 3 p.m. then our financial journey will be very easier. So first pair is money making, earning money. We all know how to earn money. We are master in earning money. So I'm not going on this part, but we are fail in our money management and money multiply. We don't know how to manage our money as well as how to multiply our money. So our focus is on in here. So money management, three things we must know: emergency fund, life insurance, and health insurance. Before jumping to money multiply, we must give more focus on emergency fund, life insurance, and health insurance. What is emergency fund? For that, for that, I'm going to Excel sheet. 50,000 is household expense. For example, if your household monthly expense is 50,000, and in your home, if both persons are earning, okay, husband and wife, both are earning, then you should keep at least 6 months of your household expense. It means 50,000 multiplied by 6, 3 lakhs as a emergency fund you should have. And if one person is earning, then you should have 12 months of household expense. It means 6 lakhs rupees as a emergency fund, and you can keep this emergency fund in FD, in saving account, and some money you should keep in as a in your home as a cash, but you should not use it in daily household expense, or if you want to buy a new mobile, you should not use this fund. This fund you should use only when there is some any urgency, any emergency, then you should use this fund, emergency fund. Second is life insurance. We all have number of life insurance, number of policies, but very less number of people, very less number of people have perfect policy. Why I'm saying this? Everyone invest in ULIP plan, endowment plan, money back plan, guaranteed plan. These are not completely for the life insurance. We mix multiply and security. So multiply or growing money is a totally different case. We should not mix it because we usually fail in money management. This is the biggest reason. We invest in insurance and we assume that our money is growing. No. If you invest in any insurance product, then you will get only 6 to 7% return. So for life insurance, we should buy only term insurance. We should not buy ULIP plan, endowment plan, money back plan, guaranteed plan. These are not the perfect product for the life insurance. And we usually buy the life insurance for our small kids as well. Life insurance should be for the guardian, because if guardian will not be there, if something happened to the guardian or earner person, then your house will be in a critical condition. So life insurance, we should buy the life insurance for the guardian of the home. Okay, so again go to the Excel sheet, and this is the life insurance. On how much sum assured we should, this is the formula, sum assured formula equal to our yearly income multiply by remaining working years minus assets plus existing sum assured. Here, this is one example. If your yearly income is 7 lakhs 50,000, and if at present your age is 40 years, it means 20 years are remaining working years. So multiply 7 lakhs 50,000 into 20. 1 lakh 50,000. Okay, 1 crore 50,000 rupees, 1.5 crore. And now move to assets. If you have 50 lakhs, no 50 lakhs, assets plus existing sum assured is 50 lakhs. Assets is 7 lakhs rupees in FD, mutual fund 7 lakhs, gold 6 lakhs, and 30 lakhs existing sum assured. Already you have sum assured. Okay, you have already bought some policy, and the value of that policy sum assured is 30 lakhs. Total 50 lakhs. So subtract 50 lakhs in 1.5 CR. Your sum assured is 1 CR, 1 crore. You can calculate as per this formula. Moving to the mind map. Now third one is health insurance. Our budget get disturbed due to health problem. Whenever we see, not in small case like in small fever or cold, but whenever we see any surgery or any hospitalization, then our budget going to disturb. So we must have health insurance, and some insured should be 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs rupees. It depends upon the city where you live, because cost depend upon the city. And one more thing, it should be family floater plan. We must have family floater plan. This will cover your whole in family. So this is health insurance. Now moving to third pair, money multiply. This is very important. So for this, we need investment, and we can invest in two places. That one is stock market and second is bond, gold, etc. Moving to Excel sheet, this is the investments. And this is one example. Your capital, you have 10 lakhs you have invested 10 lakhs in FD, real estate 40 lakhs, apart from your home where you live, apart from your home, you have real estate investment 40 lakhs rupees, mutual fund 5 lakhs, ULIP plan 5 lakhs, in saving account you have 5 lakhs rupees, in gold jewelry you have 5 lakhs rupees, guaranteed plan you have 5 lakhs rupees, you have invested 5 lakhs, and others 5 lakhs. Total 80 lakhs. It means your capital 80 lakhs rupees. Okay. Just assume your age is 35 years. Okay. Then there is one formula, investment equal to 100 minus your age. 100 minus age is 35. It means 65. Okay. So 65% we should invest in stock market. Stock market is risky place. So we should put our money 65% of our capital. It means 65% of 80 lakhs, 52 lakhs. And in bond, in gold, etc., we should invest 28 lakhs. It means 35% of 80 lakhs. We should invest in gold. This is the guaranteed, not guaranteed, this is non-risky plan actually. And in stock market, when we are investing, we must have two demat account. Okay. One is for core portfolio and second is for satellite. Core is for long term, satellite portfolio is for short term. And we should put 70% of our stock market capital. Our stock market capital is 50 lakhs. So we should 70% of for 52 lakhs. It means 36 lakhs 40,000 put in core portfolio, and in satellite 30% of 52 lakhs. It means 15 lakhs 60,000 rupees. Okay. And number of stocks in core portfolio should be 15 and in core 10 stocks. For each stocks, we should put 2 lakhs 42,000. What I have done here, just I have divided 36 lakhs 40,000 divided by 15. So you will get investment for one stocks 2 lakhs 42,666 rupees 67 paise. This is for one stocks, and in 10 stocks 15 lakh 60,000 divided by 10, it means 1 lakh 56,000 for one stock. And we should not put total capital in one tranche. We should invest in 6 tranches. So just divide it by 6. You will get 40,444 rupees. If you are starting in from January onwards, so you put 40,444 rupees in one stock, and you can buy total 15 stocks in January, again in February, March, like that. You can put in 6 tranches. So your portfolio is going to complete in 6 months, January to 6 months. And same you can do with satellite portfolio, 26,000 for one tranche, and invest in 10 companies in January, again February, March, like that. And this is again, anything is remaining? No, nothing is remaining. So thank you all of you for watching my video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who could benefit from it. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update on financial tips and stock market insight. Have question or thoughts? Drop them in a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and take control of your financial future. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.